Hey plant lover, how you doing? I'm very sure you're doing great because that's the only explanation I see right now, you turning on this video. One of the best videos on YouTube currently. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gaurav Chhikara Garden. Today you have joined me here for a short and interesting journey. How to grow Ruella simplex while Petunia, common Ruella, fevered root. Please make sure that you watch the whole video. Also, do not forget to subscribe. So let's begin. Let us begin with the most important thing. In a while, I'll show you the roots, the successful propagation of roots, and then I'll discuss a couple of points wherein if you make sure that those points are in place, your cuttings would be successful every time. Now, as you see, you need to take a hardy stem. Too young a stem, it might be possible that you won't get the desired results. So get a hardy stem, and you need to make sure at least 2 leaf nodes are inside water. 3 better, at least 2 advisable. Alright, now you see there are 2 leaf nodes and you get roots out of there. So you got to give a lot of surface area which can be in water, and if not from one leaf node, the other leaf node can take care of the roots when you're doing the propagation. So this is one of the most important things. Most of the times people kind of miss it and then they rue that someone had told them about this. That's your wild Petunia. Couple of interesting things about this plant so that you're inclined to go to the nursery right away and get one. Alright, number 1, it's perennial and evergreen. You get year-round bloom. This plant is pretty hardy, invasive. You plant one, within 1 year you get 10-15 individual plants. Alright, low maintenance. Flowers, purple, red, white, pink, you get such a range, and flowers are tubular and showy. Alright, so we start with our cuttings. I got like 6-7 of them, and you know the size, it's like the size of your arm, probably a foot long. That's the ideal length. The trick with these cuttings is you shouldn't let all the leaves go. If there are flowers, there are leaves at the top, it's fine, you need them. That's how these cuttings would propagate. So that's the difference, major difference in propagating these plants from cuttings. And as you can see, the leaves, they are one of the favorite plants to be eaten by moths and butterflies. So you see a lot of holes in the leaves there. So if you get them from outside, they might look damaged, but they're not. It's just that. So now that's 15 days later, as you see, there are roots coming out. So the first thing you should do is leave the leaves at the top and remove the leaves which are eaten, or probably there could be moths at the top or somewhere on the stem. So make sure you wash it really well, and as you can see, roots are coming out pretty fine. So every week make sure you cut the yellowing leaves, the leaves which are turning brown, and there would be a lot of leaf falling down automatically. So you need to clean it up. You need to look if one of the stems is rotting, change water every 3-4 days. If it's smelling, make sure you shift it to a different pot. Like mine is a plastic bottle. I'm reusing it. So if you've got a glass bottle, make sure you use that. So it really depends on your container, your water. Water should be tap water, which I always say, if you're propagating or cutting in water, always use tap water. It doesn't need distilled water. In fact, distilled water would make it go unsuccessful. And these are the roots after 1 month and a week. They look so, the root ball is amazing. These can be repotted now in soil and they would grow. As I mentioned earlier, this wild petunia is invasive. You grow one and your whole pot or the area in your garden would be full in no time. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again with another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.